I'm here with Nick Monaco, who's from the DTAC team at Microsoft. Nick, do you want to just quickly explain what your team's about?
Sure, yeah. So I am the China Investigations Lead and Tech Lead at DTAC, the Digital Threat Analysis Center here at Microsoft. And what we do is we track influence operations from nation-state actors and foreign malign threats. And we work very closely with Mystic, the Microsoft Threat Intelligence Center here, to understand, overlap between cyber attacks, traditional cyber attacks, and influence operations.
And on that theme that you talked to us about today, I'm really keen to hear, what do you think is the key takeaway for people when they're thinking about this?
Yeah, I think there's two, and they're mainly about the evolution of influence operations as we've seen them in the last year. One of those things is a convergence of cyber operations, traditional cyber operations like hacking, and information operations and influence operations on the other hand. So we call these cyber-enabled influence operations. And what this really means is bad actors will hack or otherwise cyber attack a target and then amplify that attack for information operations. So we're starting to see some convergence between what we've historically thought of as two different fields. The other thing I would say is new evolving tactics, and one of the most interesting ones is the use of synthetic media, in particular synthetic images that are computer generated to propagate out memes as part of information operation campaigns. So we've seen this a lot in Southeast Asia and expect to see it more across the world.